These essential oils are used to improve sleep, focus, and concentration, reduce stress, anxiety levels, and relieve pain. 1. Stress, mood, relaxation. Some essential oils are used in aromatherapy to help with relaxation, stress relief, and mood improvement. Lavender, often used to reduce anxiety and help with sleep. Citrus oils, e.g., lemon, orange, uplifting scent that may boost mood. These effects come mostly from inhalation and the influence of scent on the brain's emotional centers. 2. Sleep support. Lavender and similar calming oils are commonly used before bedtime to help prepare your mind and body for rest. Temporary relief for minor discomforts. Certain oils have compounds that might help with symptoms, such as peppermint, may help ease headaches or tension when used topically, diluted. Eucalyptus, often used for relief from mild nasal congestion. Tea tree, widely used for its antimicrobial properties in topical application, not ingestion. 4. Focus and concentration. Peppermint. Peppermint essential oil is one of the most powerful oils for focus. Its aroma stimulates the brain, increases alertness, and may improve reaction time and memory. Many people use peppermint while studying during long work hours to fight mental fatigue. It's sharp, clean, and energizing. Rosemary. Rosemary oil is strongly linked to memory and concentration. Studies suggest rosemary aroma may improve cognitive performance and mental accuracy. That's why it's often used by students, writers, professionals needing deep focus. If you want mental clarity without jitters, rosemary is a top choice. Lemon. Lemon essential oil doesn't just smell fresh. It's associated with improved mood, increased motivation, reduced mental fatigue. A brighter mood often equals better focus. Lemon is ideal for workspaces, morning routines, creative tasks. Eucalyptus. Eucalyptus oil helps clear the mind by opening airways and supporting oxygen flow. Better breathing often leads to better concentration. It's especially useful when feeling sluggish, working in closed environments, dealing with mental heaviness. Frankincense. Frankincense is known for calm focus. Unlike stimulating oils, it supports deep, steady concentration. It's often used during meditation, strategic thinking, stressful work situations. Calm focus is still focus. Important safety notes. Essential oils are potent plant extracts, and improper use can be harmful. Do not swallow essential oils. Ingesting them can be toxic, leading to nausea, organ injury, or worse. Skin irritation and allergies. Undiluted oils on the skin can cause rashes or irritation. Always mix with a carrier oil like jojoba, coconut, or olive oil, and do a patch test first. Not a substitute for medical care. Essential oils should not replace prescribed treatments for serious conditions, e.g., infections, chronic diseases, mental health disorders. People who are pregnant, breastfeeding, very young, elderly, or with chronic illnesses should consult a healthcare professional before using essential oils. How to use essential oils safely. The safest ways to use essential oils for focus: in a diffuser. Inhaling from a cotton pad. Diluted topical use. Never ingest essential oils. Never apply undiluted oils to skin. And always consult a professional if you have medical conditions. Best focus blend. Try this simple focus blend. 2 drops peppermint, 2 drops rosemary, 1 drop lemon. diffuse while working or studying. Note that essential oils won't replace discipline or rest, but they can support mental clarity, sustained focus. If this helped you, like the video so others can find it. Subscribe for more content like this and comment below. Which essential oil helps you focus the most?